Finally, bro, what's going on today? Today, man. Hey, it's a third stream. This is the third stream. I'm tired of it, but guess what? We're going to remain faithful. I didn't take no trades yet because we didn't really get no true break yet. So I'm not taking no trade yet. Thank you, Invalid, for letting me know. I'm talking to myself. Thank you, Kingdom, because I was talking to myself. I'm crazy. I might go crazy after this third stream. My computer, for some reason, bro, I even turned off in the prompt hibernation. I even turned off hibernation mode in the prompt. We got 1 minute left until the whole time frame prints, right? We're in this range. And that's what I was afraid of with this news. We're in this range, but we got some more news coming out. What do we have coming out? PMI. Manufacturing PMI. Joe's job opening coming out. For sure, that's a, what? 10 seconds left until this news come out. We got this, y'all. We got this. So we want to take our time. We don't want to rush this trade just yet. We got to make sure that this news come out with Joe's job and PMI, manufacturing PMI. So once that's come out and once the market develops and established, then we can go ahead and do what we got to do. But if this stream cuts out again, I'm going to call it a day. I'm not going to even try it again. I'm going to just catch it tomorrow and figure out why is it cutting out so much. Eventually, I'm going to have to get a new computer because that's the only option I got. To get something more stronger than this. Because I thought this was strong enough, but apparently this is not strong enough. I asked Grok. I don't know if y'all use Grok. This ain't it. This time, ooh. Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. My boy Keenum ain't giving up on them shorts. Hey, I feel you. You got them wicks right here. We're gonna see. We're gonna see 4 hour. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see, Kingdom. We're gonna see if he was right. How do I put a poll up on here? Going in heavy right here? You going in heavy right now? In the shorts? Okay. Alright, let's see. That's tough. That's tough. Hey, you got boy is solid. He really gonna take that trade. I couldn't do it. I'd be scared to. To be honest with you, I'd be so scared to take that trade. Right underneath that fair value gap again. Let's see. Can we get this rejection? Like Kingdom saying, Kingdom is expecting a rejection. These wicks are showing a strong rejection for the longs. These buyers are trying to buy this market up aggressively, but there's a seller, there's a passive seller in this market that's trying to hold this open up with no bottom wick. I see what you're saying. I hear you. I hear you. But does that mean does it have to happen now? Could it happen later? We gotta see. Are we out of zones? We got a lot of liquidity above. What is stopping us from going above? What is stopping us from going long? Maybe these blocks right here, so-called breaker blocks, order blocks, maybe so. But what is stopping us from maybe going in that direction? That's the question, right? Or are we going to continue to hold this range and see money take money? Because I said earlier when we first opened, I said that maybe it's going to see money take money type of day. We're going to have to maybe just play in this range. And we're going to have to wait the whole day and watch it go sideways. We're going to see. We're going to see. That move was nasty. Whoever was in that, crazy. Because when Joe's job came out and manufacturer PMI came out. Okay. Okay, I see that. Okay. Alright. This is tough. I don't know. This is a tricky move. I can't even see my P&L. Hold on. I'm surprised I can't even see my P&L. I've been putting it up here for the past minute. I'm waiting for this P&L above my head to show up, and it's not showing. What is going on with that? Let's see if we can get that up. Get that up. Sellers coming in heavy. Kingdom funny. Kingdom, I mean, I love you, bro. You be in it. You be letting us know what's up. Coming in hot right now. This is it. The one and only. We in this range. So we break out this range. That was a big wick. But at the same time, why we didn't close below? If it was so strong, why we didn't close below? If this was the move, why we didn't close below? On the 5 minute, we didn't close. Even on the 15, why we didn't get the close? Why we didn't get the break? What that's about, right? Are we gonna have to take out this liquidity above? And then we reject? Can we reject right here? That's the question. We're just trying to figure out which way the market wants to go before it wants to keep on. Got to. Say got to. It could. I mean, it could. You could be right. You know you could be right. It's just, I don't see, we didn't get the break. With all that volatility, there was no break. Right? Since if there's no break, then I'm gonna put my stop at the lows. I'm gonna go in heavy if we continue to push higher. But if we don't, then you know, it is what it is. If we get above this 5 minute and respect this 5 minute, I might even go in heavier. But the catch is, what I don't like is what we did right here. It's how we rejected right here. This could be an indication for shorts too. Just trying to make sure that I'm not getting faked out, y'all. That's all. I don't want to get faked out. I don't want to get faked out. Rejection right here. Actually, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna put my stop tight. Stop tight. For sure. Stop tight. Cause look how we close right at that line right here. I don't like that. Look how we close right at it. Like as if like that's it. That's the rejection point. Could be. Keno wants to go short. I want to go long. Cause I don't like how we didn't even break. We didn't even break. We just closed right here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's a 3 minute. Look at that rejection. Mm-hmm. It's a tricky one. I ain't gonna lie, it's a tricky one. And I'm getting out of this. The rejection right here. Right underneath the 5-minute. Right underneath the 5-minute. Right at half point, we got the rejection right here. Right here. Perfectly underneath. Even though it might get to close and push back up, nah. That's the case we do drop. This might be your trade. This might be your trade, Kingdom. 4 minutes on that, 3 minutes on that. See if we can get that break. I would like to see TP at this point. I might get into a short. Because I seen okay, I might get into a short. If we can reject underneath this 15-minute, if we can reject underneath this 15-minute decently, I'm going to go into a short. See how many ticks this is. From this point all the way down here, 164, 67. How much risk I could put on? So much risk I could put on. 167. Two contracts maybe. Let's see. Halfway point down right here to the previous day low. Break that low right there. Put my stop above the 5. How many ticks is that? 86 ticks. 86 times 5, 430. And then 187 times 5, 935. Okay. 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 The wicks rejected so hard going for the lows. I mean, yeah, I like the rejection, but the fact that we didn't get the close is what gets me. We didn't get the close. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I just need to see. Okay, we got the green. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. See that? Everybody thought that close. We got that one right here, the one right here, then it's right here too. But then at the same time, people thought the short's gonna come in. It might come in if we can respect. One more time right here. I might go for it right here. And aim for these lows. With 5, 10 micros, 1 mini. We didn't get that close. Let me look at the 2-minute. 50 seconds on that one. But then we're gonna see. Yeah, that's just absorption. Absorption. That's all it is. The play can still happen. It's getting y'all getting absorbed because everybody wanted that trade. Now it's like you know what's so crazy? It seems like every season there's a new trick that we have to learn, and I think I started learning absorption. Like even though the trade can play out, most sellers are getting absorbed in this trade, and then we can get the 5-minute close. That could have been another reason why we pumping so high right now. Yeah, that would have been a flop. This trade would have been a flop. Gotta wait. 5-minute is being just brutally pushed through. So look at that. Yup. Dang. Yup. Wow. Wow. Faked out. That's a fake out. And stopped out. 430 down. A lot of people. Hey. That's why I say breaker structure is the way to go. If you don't get that breaker structure, then there's no trade. Alright, so we knew that was gonna work. I'm about to start doing that. Just start putting the shorts in the buy indicator up so we can see it. Now this market wasn't ready to go for that imbalance below. It wasn't ready. The imbalance is right here. You see it? Look at this big old imbalance right here. Everybody wants this. Look at that imbalance right there. See it? Everybody wants that. But the market's not giving it. Market's not giving it. Market's pushing. We didn't get the break on a 4 hour. That could be the reason why we're pushing higher. At least we got a little tip of that candle right there with that wick. That's probably why we're getting that push. Might take the long. Might take that long. Let's see. Did we take out any liquidity below? Got the bounce right here, which is not a real bounce. It's not a real bounce. It's something 15-minute printed. 15-minute printed, but we didn't get the break. Well, we got the break right here. We didn't get the break. Also right here, 30-minute. Let's see. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. Might can find a trade in this. All right. That long was good, but man, I'm glad I didn't stay in that trade, cause I would have got wicked out. And well, no, I didn't, cause I probably would have been up a little bit. We didn't break it. We're not breaking. If you don't break and you just not, the trade is not happening. There's no break. There's no trade. All right, so 15 minutes just printed, but we didn't get no break. We just pretty much printed high, but we didn't really get a true break. Well, we can push higher though. We're gonna see 30-minute prints in 12 minutes. See, do I see? I'm trying to see if I can see any fair value gap or any type of zone that we could play off of. I don't really see any. All I see is liquidity. Are we going for this liquidity? Are we going for the next liquidity before we take out these lows? We might take out the liquidity later on, maybe afternoon. Wow, never thought of it like that. Afternoon, we might take out the lows, but for the most part, we look like we took out some liquidity. Didn't break, but we're reversing to go take out some more liquidity above. So I might look for a quick scalp long. Might look for a long scalp in this trade. If we get the respect, check out these highs right here, maybe. See if I can see a wow, I think I found something. Hold on. See if has that been mitigated yet? Nope. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. Let me see if I can find a long to take out these TPs. I might say this is first TP. TP1. TP2. And then full TP. I'm taking this high off. Well, actually, I'm gonna keep it above this because it looks like it's looking no, right top like that. Bop. All right, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I might say TP1, TP2, and then full TP at this point right here. What was that? A fair value gap? Nah, it is, but I don't like it. I don't like it. All right, rejection. All right, rejection. Oh, wait a minute. Do I even like this? Am I even believe in this? Do y'all even believe this? Because I don't think I believe that. All right. What is this? Smart money, maybe? Rejection, maybe? If we get a push above this, I might go long. goodness, look at my lining. Yeah, like this shit crazy. That's crazy. I need to give myself a haircut. Gotta give myself a haircut. I ain't looking too good. We just being patient, y'all. We being patient. That's what's gonna get us our good trades. Also, remember, seek first his kingdom. Matthew chapter 6, verse 33. Seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all things will be added to us. We don't worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry by itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. We gotta give our worries and our cares to God within this moment, right? Also, when we pass through the waters, Isaiah chapter 43, verse 2, when we pass through the waters, he will be with us. When we pass through the rivers, they will not sweep over us. When we walk through that fire, we will not be burned. The flames will not set us ablaze. God is going to protect us. And saying that we won't be hurt. We may not feel a little pressure, you know, we may not feel a little pressure, but it's not going to overcome us because he is with us, right? God bless y'all. Also, good job staying patient, because markets like this will really mess you up. A lot of people are trying their best to find a good trade, and a lot of people are getting wicked out. Even if you go small in contracts, you want to really take your time with understanding where this market may go. We're coming right back into this 5 minute. Can we respect this 5 minute? Respect this 5 minute. Or are we going to reject it? Same thing how we reject it right here. We might see a rejection. This might be the rejection for the shorts. Kingdom, this might be your trade. This might be it, Kingdom. This might be the trade, Kingdom. This might be it. I'm trying to look and see, make sure that I'm not tripping out. Rejection, 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 rejection. 3, 2, 1. I like this. This might be the short. This might be the shorts. This might be the shorts. I'm gonna see. We got a fair value gap right here. See if we can respect it and keep underneath it. Kingdom, I think I like your shorts, bro. Well, we didn't get the close on that, but that's okay. The shorts might come in heavy. I'm about to get ready. They about to come in heavy. They're just giving in. Goodness. Can we get the follow through? Can we get the follow through? And I would like to see us pump right back into this. I would like to see us pump back into this. Indicators came in clutch. Yes, sir. You use indicators. I use the resistance. Man, I went old school. That's what's crazy. Man, that's crazy. I need to give me an indicator. Big time. This might be it. We're gonna see. This might be it. And sometimes I don't use indicators because it's too much to look at. I get very distracted if I look at too much stuff. I like confirmation, but I don't like looking at too many things. You already know. You see, I think a lot. I think too much. These shorts they looking good, but at the same time, are they ready? We're gonna see. This might just drop on us. Wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, my computer wasn't even plugged up. Rookie mistake. Either it's gonna drop on us, or it's gonna retrace back into this fair value gap, which I would love to see. If we can retrace back into this fair value gap, I would love to see it. Somewhere in here, I would love to see a retracement for the continuation for the shorts. Yeah, if they give it. They may not give it, you know. We may not get it. We might get this might be SMT, you know. We're gonna see. Remember this. You don't have. We're not trying to be right. We're just trying to make sure that it's a higher probability that this might happen. That's all it is. This thing don't have to go. It don't have to go down to the imbalance. It don't have to. The thing is it a higher probability that this might happen? And what's our probability? It's our confirmations. What are the confirmations? Are we using one confirmation? Are we using 2, 3, 4, 5 confirmations? What is our confirmation to get in and get out? We don't have to be right the whole day. We just need to be right that one moment. This is why guys you see on X do so good, because they might be holding trades, but they're getting in and getting out because they're using higher probability trades and they're taking that risk. We seen that this green tried to go up to this candle and it didn't, right? We seen that they tried to do it, but it didn't go through. Also on this right here, Look at this. Oh, hold up, let me see. Nah. Four minutes into this 15-minute prints. We're getting absorbed. We're gonna see. But I like how it's forming. I really do. I like how it's forming. If the stream cuts out, I'm gonna be off on the day. I'm gonna call it the day, y'all. Just being honest with y'all, I'm gonna call it the day. If the stream cuts out, just saying. $15-minute. Can ES reject off that 1 hour? We're gonna see. This is a tough trade. This is a tough trade. ES is trying to hold a level. That's the thing. ES is trying to hold a level, which is crazy to me. Yo, these shorts look good. I am not lying. These shorts look so good. Jeez, but at what cost? All I need to do is get the confirmation. Once we get the confirmation, we in there. Once we get the confirmation, it might be happening, but it's happening at what cost? Is it trying to not give us the trade? Because I was hoping that we might come into this imbalance, right? Come into this imbalance and then reject, but it doesn't want to give us to it. So you might take either you take the trade now or you just. I can't take a trade that I don't see good confirmation off of. I'm not gonna take it. That's just not how I roll. You know what I'm saying? Now here's the thing. The trade could play out. Here's the thing. The trade could play out, but we might have the retracement and then a rejection to get a full play. But at what cost? At what cost as you getting short right here and then getting extended and it absorbs back up and then shoot down? With what cost? 3 minutes into this 15-minute prints. The wicks on the 30 minutes look like very strong rejection off the green. What's up, Tosin? Tosin? Big rejection coming in, I think. Here we go. This might be the high probability of the shorts. Did we get the break? Did we get this break? 2 minutes, did we get the break? Yes. We also got a fair value gap right here. Make sure that we don't fall for that. Okay, hold on, let me put that right there. Hey, this might be it. Hey, you in it. I can't take a trade like this. I just couldn't. Just in case the market wants to just do some goofy whipsaw, I'm just not taking that. The imbalance is still being filled. That's what's up. You took that trade. That's what's up. Good job. Good job. Me, on the other hand, I couldn't take it. It just is. I couldn't take it. You know why? You know why I couldn't take it? Cause what if we would have absorbed? I didn't want to give myself like maybe small room, and then we like let's say if I would have got in right here, I would have had to put my stop all the way up here, my take P all the way down here. I don't know. That just 125 ticks in room is not my thing. I just can't do that. Nah, not the short. You didn't get in the short? What you got into? The longs? Wait, so what you got? Where you got in at? What? So did you take the short? Oh, big drop. All right, so imbalance has been filled. Imbalance has been filled. No, I'm lying. Imbalance has not been filled. Imbalance has not been filled. Let's see if we can find a retracement. Imbalance has not been filled. Can we get a retracement back up into these highs, maybe? Yeah, long. Wow, you got that long. Good job. Because we didn't get that break. If you're not getting that break, then the market got to go a certain way. Come on, Kingdom. Hey, it's okay. The trade gonna always be there. I'm not gonna act like I missed the trade. This thing gonna come back up and then reject again. I'm still gonna take that trade. I ain't miss nothing. The trade can still be there. I'm just waiting for a retracement. Once I get the retracement, get the confirmation, the correct confirmation, that we're not just gonna go, skyrocket, then yeah. I'll be right back. All right, we back. We back. All right. Let's see what we got. Let me go back to a 15-minute. Okay. Okay. Orders are not. Orders about to start filling in right here. Okay. Hey, I like the talk through. I like the talk. I like the on chat. That's what's up. So let's see. Are we going to continue to go long and retrace back into this imbalance below and maybe continue to go short, or are we going to reject right here and continue to fill that imbalance below? Because we still got an imbalance below. We haven't filled it all the way. Hold up. Ain't my bad. This imbalance has not been filled yet, right? I'm gonna show you the box. Come on, get out of here. We still got a whole imbalance to fill. Now we don't have to fill the whole imbalance, but that's just an understanding of what happened. We just we didn't even fill it all the way. Hey, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let me look at a 30-minute. Oh, we didn't get that fill. This is the bounce. Good look. Good looking on Tosin. After I walked away. I'm always walking away. I don't know why. I gotta really stop paying attention. Big bounce right here, maybe. Big bounce maybe for the longs because we didn't get the respect. But also, we didn't feel the imbalance below, though. We didn't feel it. But we could be rejecting this. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Big bounce right here. Ooh, ooh, wait a minute. We're gonna see. All right. Took out some imbalance below. All right, let's see if we can hold this level. I might get into a long right here if we hold it. Wait, let me look at this. Ooh, rejection right here. Hold on. Big rejection. Big rejection. Big rejection. Big rejection. Big rejection. Choo! I'm sad. What said we going? Orders about to be filled right here. We're gonna continue to short right after it gets close to that imbalance. Dang, we felt the imbalance just that fast. It didn't wanna give us a nicer feel, but that's okay though. You know, you don't gotta be right. You're not right. You're just taking high probability trades, right? And remember, you're not missing anything. That's the catch. You're not missing anything. That's the truth. Stay out the way until we get a clear path. I was hoping that we might get a better retracement. I was hoping that we might get a better retracement back up into this imbalance above. Maybe tap into one of these imbalance. I mean, these low lows and then take a short. But since it's so volatile, might as well stay out of it. I was hoping that if we would have respected this fair value gap, we would have continued long. But since we broke it, that man, I ain't taking that. Imbalance filled. It's filled. That's it. Shorts might come in heavier. This is it. Wow, big time. All right, so imbalance is filled. Can we continue to go short? That's the question. Now, since that we are breaking, can I look for a retracement back into one of these spots right here? Maybe continue to go short into this fair value gap on a 30-minute. Because I don't want to catch a trade when we're already extended. You know, you don't want to catch a trade when it's already extended. It's so extended. Pretty sure Kingdom caught this trade already though. Good job if you did caught it, Kingdom. I just couldn't see myself taking it too fast. I just sat down. It's hard getting up and then come back and sitting down after like doing something. But let's see. What else do we have? We just filled the imbalance. We got a fair value gap below. True that. Could definitely be seeing a sell-off from Nvidia for real. For real. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm trying to look at ES2 for confluence. I'm trying to see if ES is telling me anything otherwise. Shorts do look heavy. We're gonna see. I'm also trying to get more confirmation before I take my trade. Fill in the balance. Put the block right here. Reject it off here. Look out for 22,700. That's around the bounce off points. 22,700 is bounce off points. I mean, you're speaking pretty much the mid-range of the fair value gap right here. What is your ES is really slow right now for sure. ES is definitely in the range. Bouncing off ES is bouncing off a 1 hour fair value gap and a 4 hour too. We didn't get a break of structure, so we doing the scene of rejection on ES too. We seen it. All right. So me, I'm still thinking long in the long term. Why? Is because we got SMT on ES, but we didn't get that. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Cause we're playing up and down. We're ping ponging. We just want to make sure that I'm not missing a trade. We're gonna see. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Rejection off the previous day low, maybe. Rejection off the previous day low. 2 minute rejection. 3 minute. Are we getting a 3 minute rejection? 3 minute rejection. Let me get off this. Let me get rid of that. 5 minute. See what else we got. It's happening. It's happening. Miss all of my good trades. But at the same time, I don't like playing volatility too much. Big wick, big rejection. Off the previous day low, pretty nice. Oh, we're rejecting big time. Bouncing maybe. Let's see, 4 hour. Yeah, we might go in there for that liquidity below. Hey, I'm gonna look for retracement. The video is gonna bounce off that hinge pressure soon. I think so too. Hey, I'm gonna see. Let me see if we can continue to 22 minutes on that, 4 minutes, 4 hours, 3 hours on that, 22 minutes on this. We got a big wick below. Let me see if we can get a retracement, a nice retracement and rejection. I want to see us retrace back up and just maybe get a nice clean rejection. Maybe off this 1 hour. I would love to see it. And I could possibly, if we don't bounce off this 30 minute, that's gonna be annoying. I don't want to see us bounce off this 30 minute. That's gonna be annoying. I would like to take the short because the short do look good though. Shorts do look good. Shorts do look good. More confirmation. That's all I need. Just more confirmation. If we can come back to this half point, maybe fill this imbalance right here. And then reject. I need to get my footprints up. I haven't been putting it up like I'm supposed to. Or we're going to just push down in high volatility shorts. Ooh. Also right here. Big moves. All right. Set them. Also got a big wick right here. Oh, okay. We got some more information that we can use. The more information, the better. That's all I say. The more information, the better. Right? The more information, the better. 1 hour. This is in. I mean, yeah, nah. Rejection is heavy on this. Jeez. Rejection is heavy. I would love to take the short, but man, I can't take volume. I can't take volume. Because I don't want to get eat up in a reject or a bounce. There you go. Too much volume. Nah, damn, that's crazy. See, look at that absorption, just that fast. People probably thought, man, look at that. That's crazy. Where's the clear path of a rejection point? Man, where's that at? Remember that 701 spot I said? That's going to be the buy soon. 701. Hey, you know what's crazy? I have a level right there too, a nice little level right there. So we're going to see. Also on the 1 hour, let's see. See if we can get a bounce off that. Unless we don't, like, plummet 30-minute fair value gap right here. We broke that. Let's see. 15-minute. Oh, hold up. Did I miss something? Yes, I think I did. Put that right there. Might have to get rid of this. Well, I'm gonna keep it just for safe. Just 1 hour. I'm buying right now. Good luck. Good luck. I'm still waiting. Good luck on that move for real though. We're gonna see. 15-minute. 3 minutes left on the 15-minute. I might wait for this 15-minute prints first. Wait till this 15-minute print. But I like what you see though. Band below, what's up? Consistency, hey, you right. Stay consistent. And you're gonna see consistent profits. Yes, sir. You still in that long? Hey, I try to be. Hey, the last couple of streams were just trash. I try to be. I don't like how it's not rejected. See, this is the thing. I'm not missing no trades. If I don't see the trade, I'm not gonna take the trade. You said the 711 level is definitely gonna be the bounce. Might be for sure. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not getting faked out. Just want to make sure, because I got these levels set. I got a 30-minute and a 15-minute. I got a 30-minute fair value gap, right? 30-minute fair value gap. Just want to make sure that I'm not getting faked out. Got a 15-minute fair value gap. Just want to see we respect these zones to go long. 1 hour, 4 hours. Still got time on that. Still can see the shorts play out on this though for sure. We didn't get the break. We might get the pop back up. This might be caught. This might call. All right, you're right. I think you might be right here. 16 minutes on that right there. Bop. Ooh. We're gonna see it. We're gonna see. What is ITR again? You're looking for the ES bias if we dip a little below the low of day. If we dip below the low of day, yeah. I see what you're saying. Yeah, dang. I would like to see ES confluence with each other like that for sure. See 4 hour. Yeah, you might be right. We're gonna see. We didn't get the break, man. All right. You know what's crazy? This might be our point right here. Hey, this might be our point right here. Let me look. Let me go. Let me see. Hey, this might be our point right here. Get that respect. What is this? What is this halfway point? 30-minute halfway point. 5 minute. 5 minute and 40 seconds. I'm gonna wait. You know, there's no point of rushing. Just wait. If the market develops and it holds that level, that's our trade, right? If the market develops and it holds that level, that's the trade. If ES can hold that level, right? If ES can hold that level and NQ can hold this level, that might be our trade. But ES rejected off of a 1 hour fair value gap. We might still see a continuation of the shorts. And may see a continuation to the low of day. We will see. I want to use them as confluence. I don't want to get faked out, you know? I don't want to get faked out. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I don't want to get faked out. Shoot, you know, my shorts might still come in. Rejection at this point. We're gonna see. 5 minute. I might have to remove some stuff. Because this is probably too cluttered. 30-minute bounce on a 15-minute. I like that on a 15-minute. 15 minute just printed. 5 minute. Can we get the respect right here?